If you can't pause, you're not in control. Most people think discipline is loud, grinding, forcing, fighting the world. Real discipline is quieter. It's the space between what happens and what you choose to do next. Someone disrespects you, plan falls apart, a message hits your nerves. Your first impulse is to react, to defend, to prove something. That impulse is not you. It's conditioning, habit, fear dressed as urgency. The disciplined person notices the surge and waits, not because they're passive, because they refuse to let a moment dictate their character. This pause is small, invisible to others, but inside it you reclaim authority over your mind. And once you learn to live in that space, you stop being dragged by every emotion that knocks. That's where real power begins. The world trains you to respond instantly. Notifications, opinions, pressure, everything pushes you towards speed. But speed is where mistakes breed. A disciplined mind moves differently, questions the first reaction. You feel anger rise. Instead of obeying it, you examine it. What exactly was threatened? Your safety or your pride? Most emotional storms are pride defending an image. A disciplined person protects something deeper, their judgment. Epictetus warned that events don't disturb you, your interpretation does. So you slow the interpretation. You let the heat pass before assigning meaning. And suddenly, situations that once controlled you lose their grip. You're still present, still decisive, but no longer predictable. Watch how this changes ordinary moments. A coworker takes credit for your work. The undisciplined reaction is confrontation fueled by ego. The disciplined response is measured. You gather facts. You choose timing. You speak with clarity, not heat. The result is stronger, and so are you. Where someone insults you, instead of firing back, you study the insult. Is it true? Then it's information. Is it false? Then it's noise. Either way, your peace remains intact. This isn't weakness. It's strategic restraint. You stop treating every spark like a fire, and your energy stays where it belongs, under your command. Over time, this discipline reshapes your identity. You become the person who doesn't rush, who doesn't chase every emotional wave. People sense it. Your words carry weight because they aren't thrown around carelessly. More importantly, you trust yourself. You know that whatever happens, your response is chosen, not automatic. That trust is quiet strength. It removes desperation from your decisions. You're no longer reacting to life. You're meeting it deliberately. And in that deliberate space, chaos loses its authority. This discipline is practiced in moments no one sees. The message you don't send while angry. The argument you delay until you're clear. The silence you allow instead of filling space with emotion. Each small pause is a vote for the person you're becoming. You won't master it in a day. Some reactions will slip through. That's part of training. What matters is returning to the pause again and again until it becomes your default ground. Then life stops feeling like a series of attacks. It becomes a field where you choose your footing. And from that footing, you act with calm certainty. A man governed by judgment, not impulse.